You can see that, but the light for oil change is on. Damn. Alright, what is up, guys? It's early in the morning today. It's actually around 9 o'clock. Well, 8:46. So it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but today we'll be heading over to Gido's place, and Gido owns that blue Miata. Definitely been a while since I drove the Supra, so today I was gonna take it to an oil change, but I guess kind of a funny story of how Toyota Care works, and I wasn't able to get it done. But first, I was thinking about picking up some coffee, and then kind of hitting the road then. Sorry, I can't speak right now. But yeah, let me pick up some coffee first. All right, I'm gonna drink. Love those backfires, but classic BMW chimes. Let's see. As I mentioned before, I needed an oil change, and I'm at like 3,600, maybe 37. Clicking on what the heck's going on here. So apparently I have new tires, which is not true, but I haven't driven this car since, I don't know, November. I did drive it around just a little bit here and there, but that's about it. So maybe it's just kind of getting used to the system. Engine oil. Well, my service is due for engine oil. However, for Toyota Care, it's 2 years, 20,000 miles, or 20,000 miles. And for your engine oil, they only take it at 10K miles. Anything under, which is going to be 5K, they only do oil inspection or fluid inspection, vehicle inspection, and tire rotation. So that's not going to really help me out here. I might just do it like myself. Engine oil, yeah, I guess that's when it's been added. I don't know. This is kind of confusing to actually look at. Let's look through the different options. My tires are good. Engine oil level is okay, so just asking for oil change. It's just really a service. I can't really clear these messages until you actually do the service. You can't like go into the settings and clear them, so kind of stuck with this. But yeah, I actually scheduled an oil change today at 7:30 in the morning, but I'd cancel it because I would have to pay out of pocket, and there's no point of doing that at a dealership when I could do it myself. But regardless, got my coffee, and we're gonna head over. Oh my god. Alright, so since the weather is actually much nicer now, and I can actually drive this car, that's me, I want to make a kind of like a ownership review video so far. 6-month ownership. I wouldn't necessarily say I own this car for a year, because I would kind of count that to driving the car for a year, which I haven't yet. So gonna make that video soon, just to give you guys a heads up. But yeah, this is majority of Illinois roadways. It's just fucking flat ass land with vegetation on both sides, so nothing too crazy. Alright, so we're basically here. One thing I also don't like about the Supra is that rocks fall into the rotors so easily. So when you go slow on gravel-ish roads, I know this is not gravel, but this road is kind of poorly maintained, shit could fall in there so easily. Like all that shit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like, what the fuck is that? It's a trap. That's what that is. Well, right when I arrive, these guys aren't here. The fuck? So I'm just kind of chilling in this garage with nobody here. It's actually just the Miata. It broke down after he tried to install a rear view camera, and so we're trying to get it up and running since it's a lot nicer out. Gido is also down to one car because his Versa that he previously had kind of sold. Oh shoot! I don't know why it's closing on me. What the fuck? Did this guy buy a BRZ? What the fuck? Gido, did you buy a BRZ?
I did.
Is that why you wanted us over here?
Yeah.
What the
And
fuck?
it was so hard lying to you.
You son of a bitch. This mother dude, the whole time I didn't know. Oh my gosh.
I know.
You fucking asshole, bro. I thought you were gonna fucking tell me. You motherfucker. Finny, how'd you know about it and not tell anybody?
Bro, so Aaron done messed up. So Aaron just texted me one day. He's like, yo, you gotta talk to Gido. He's already talking about modifying his BRZ. And I was like, what are you talking about? Gido has a BRZ? And he wouldn't respond. And the longer that he wouldn't respond for, I'm like, this motherfucker bought a BRZ.
This motherfucker bought a fucking BRZ.
And you know the funny thing is, I was telling these guys, if they just responded right away and was like, ha ha ha, just kidding, like we're just like, you know, it's like if Gido did have a BRZ, I would have believed him.
Yeah.
Because, you know, Gido talks about shit like that all the time.
Yeah.
So, like, I was like, you totally could have tricked me.
So you didn't know?
I didn't know either.
When'd you know?
So, like a week or two ago?
Yeah.
Whenever Aaron slipped up.
That's
he
when you confessed?
Yeah.
Yeah, he just called me. He's like, yeah, bro, I bought a BRZ.
So when'd you pick it up? Is today day
No,
one?
February.
He got
I
it.
had
You
it
got it in fucking February?
Yeah.
Bitch, it's March.
Yeah,
How long
I
have you
know.
had this car for?
about a month. Yeah.
About a month?
Yeah. It only has 10,000.
I need to install a ring at your house or something, bro.
It only has 10,000 miles on it. It's a 2020.
Was this the same one you
Yeah.
showed me?
Yeah, that's the same one.
We're in the Supra now. Finny, do you know how iDrive works?
I do not.
So press brake
Yep.
and then pull back.
I just.
Oh, sorry. You have to press this side button. That's like the safety lock. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Has like a little electronic interlock.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna do what Gido did and hit that railroad at 60 miles an hour.
True.
The speed will sneak up on you on this, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, dude.
Like you don't
Yeah.
even realize you're going 100.
Dude, 100%.
Red light camera ahead.
There are times where you kind of feel it, like the G's, but
In a
yeah.
straight line.
In a straight line,
on
yeah.
the highway, you don't realize you're reckless.
Right. I try to be a little bit more chill and local, but sometimes on the highways, bro, this thing shines in the corners.
Oh, I can.
Yeah,
only
it just
imagine.
dives in head first, and you can just rotate the car. Pops and bangs.
That is amazing how it downshifts as an automatic.
Yeah, and it's a
I would not have thought it was gonna be like that.
let it go here.
Oh shit! It actually let go a little bit.
Yeah,
through
dude,
in
yeah.
there.
You,
I didn't give it that much.
You slip your tires, you know?
Yeah. Felt that little butt wiggle.
Also for cops, we have radar, so
Oh shit! Yeah.
kind of good.
Yeah.
You're good. It's mirroring the Supra. I love the paint, the pearlescent white.
Yeah, it
But
is. It's a
I am not gonna lie. When I was picking up the Supra, one thing I was telling them was, I don't want the red. But when I see some of the red Supras now, I'm like, that's a good red.
Yeah,
You know, that's a pretty decent red.
It's the. How would you compare it to the Mazda red?
Oh, I think the Mazda
Silver
red's
red?
better.
Yeah.
Yeah,
your
that deep
sister's
root.
car.
Yeah, I love that red. All right, Finny, let's start this bitch up.
Let's see what happens.
Bro, oh my gosh.
Hey, if you can fix the RC one, I'm still having charging issues with that bitch.
It's kind of nerve-wracking.
Somebody has to
That's
pray.
why I'm not doing it.
Gido, pray.
It is in neutral, right? Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Title's a little funky, but I think it's just because it hasn't started in a while.
Bro,
Keep it started. Keep it started.
it actually started. Yo.
Yeah, and that's why you don't fuck with wiring for no reason.
Well, no, I didn't F with that. I didn't F with that.
He fucked with it, because now it's working.
Yeah.
Give it some gas.
No. Don't give it gas.
It just died.
Yeah, try again.
Does it, how much, it probably doesn't have enough gas in it.
You're one above E. 1 bar above E.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you need gas.
Yeah. Oh, it's blowing O's.
You definitely have like a idle, but I don't know if that's because you don't have enough gas in it or what.
Right.
Fast, sharp right, listen.
Okay. What are you doing?
What's up? Putting just cleaning it up.
Oh, okay.
I
Damn,
caught that
look
in
at this.
myself with this thing.
Oh, this spaghetti. Cobweb of wiring.
Oh, it's on this side. Really? It's on this side.
Well, also, it's been off for a long time.
That's what I'm thinking. Right here. It's somewhere here.
Oh, yes.
The general public.
I've seen so many crash videos. Like I still watch.
Alright, time to go home. It's a bit rainy out, but still temps are good. Fucking oil change light won't go away. Yeah, I think we're good. Let's just see how the Supra holds up in the rain. How long is the drive? I don't know if it's gonna focus, but 33 minutes. Essentially at the end of when I left, we were able to kind of diagnose or get closer to the problem of what is wrong with the Miata. It is an electrical problem, as it seems to be. There was a ground issue, and so they were kind of dissecting the car to see what was working and what wasn't. But the car does turn on and it does drive. It's just there is this weird ventilating suction noise, and we're trying to also understand where that's coming from because that wasn't there before. Turn the volume off here. I always find this part of my neighborhood very like comforting and quiet to drive through. I don't know. There's that certain point, you know, when you arrive near your house, you're like, yeah, I'm almost home. So that's for me. This is that kind of area. But yeah, thanks guys for watching the video, and it was kind of uneventful. We didn't do much, but I have a lot of videos coming up this season as it gets warmer, and so I hope you guys stay tuned. Thanks.